The Rhine Falls, situated on the High Rhine in northern Switzerland, is widely recognized as the largest waterfall in Europe. While not the highest in terms of vertical drop, the Rhine Falls is exceptionally wide and has a significant volume of water, making it a powerful and impressive sight. The falls were formed around 17,000 years ago by geological shifts, and the surrounding area has a rich history, with Laufen Castle offering stunning views of the falls. Rhine Falls is a popular tourist destination with over 1 million visitors annually who come to witness its impressive size and powerful flow. One of the great things about the magnificent waterfall is that it is very accessible. From Laufen Castle, visitors can take a glass elevator to reach numerous viewing platforms and boat trips. Boat trips on the river below the falls that provide fantastic close-up views of the falls are very popular and can take from around 10 to 40 minutes. We had such a great time. Ideal weather, the cascading water, the splashing spray and mist of droplets, the lush green environment and dramatic cliffs led to a truly unforgettable experience. The falls also offering breathtaking panoramic views from the various viewing platforms built on the both sides of the river. say that simply viewing the magnificence of Rhine Falls is a worthwhile experience.